How does data drive online marketing, and what legal frameworks govern its use? This video explores the intersection of data and law in online marketing. Discover how businesses navigate data-driven strategies while adhering to legal obligations. Online marketing data is crucial for understanding customer behavior. It includes demographic, behavioral, transactional, engagement, and search data. Businesses use this data to identify target markets and personalize marketing messages. It also helps improve customer experiences and measure campaign effectiveness. Misuse of data can damage trust and lead to legal issues. Data use in marketing is regulated to protect consumer privacy. The General Data Protection Regulation requires consent for data collection. The Data Protection Act ensures lawful data processing. Privacy and Electronic Communications regulations cover electronic marketing. The Advertising Standards Authority ensures honest advertising. Ethical marketing goes beyond legal compliance. It requires transparency and respect for consumer rights. Businesses should avoid false advertising and manipulative tactics. Ethical behavior builds long-term trust, which is more valuable than short-term gains. Respecting online reviews is also crucial. Data helps businesses understand customers and measure performance. It reveals customer behavior and preferences. Targeted campaigns can be created using demographic data. Data also aids in improving customer experience and forecasting trends. The ultimate goal is to make marketing more effective and efficient. Businesses gather data through various online tools. Website analytics reveal visitor behavior. Social media insights show engagement levels. Customer surveys provide qualitative insights. Email analytics measure campaign success. Data protection laws safeguard personal information. They ensure data is handled responsibly and transparently. These laws protect individual privacy and maintain public trust. Businesses must secure data against loss or misuse. The UK Data Protection Act and GDPR are key frameworks. Data protection laws give individuals control over their information. Businesses must collect only necessary data. Consent is required for marketing purposes. Data must be secured against loss or misuse. These laws ensure fairness and transparency. Organizations must be clear about how they use personal data. They must explain what data is collected and how it will be used. Customers can withdraw consent at any time. Transparency prevents unethical practices. This builds consumer trust. Data protection laws require secure data storage. Businesses must prevent hacking and data leaks. Encrypted systems and secure servers are essential. Breaches must be reported to authorities. This ensures accountability and reduces harm. Protected data encourages consumer engagement. Trust is key in online marketing. Compliance with data laws enhances brand reputation. Customers are more likely to share information if privacy is respected. This fosters long-term relationships. Data protection laws define responsibilities of data controllers. Non-compliance can lead to heavy fines. Legal action and reputation damage are possible. Organizations must handle data responsibly. This ensures legal accountability. UK GDPR ensures rights over personal data. Data Protection Act outlines data processing rules. PCDR covers electronic marketing. These laws require consent for direct marketing. They protect consumer privacy. UK GDPR and Data Protection Act form the data protection backbone. The ICO enforces these laws. They ensure accountability and promote trust. Challenges include compliance complexity for small businesses. Technological changes require continual updates. UK GDPR sets 7 key principles for data handling. Lawfulness and transparency are essential. Data minimization reduces misuse risks. Accuracy and storage limitation are crucial. Security and accountability ensure compliance. Individuals have rights under UK GDPR. They can access and rectify their data. The right to erasure allows data deletion. They can restrict or object to processing. Data portability enables moving data between services. The ICO enforces data protection laws in the UK. It investigates complaints and issues fines. British Airways and Marriott Hotels faced fines for breaches. These cases show serious non-compliance consequences. The ICO promotes accountability. PECR regulates electronic marketing. It requires explicit consent for communications. Businesses must offer unsubscribe options. Transparency about cookies is essential. Non-compliance can result in significant fines. Data laws impact online marketing practices. Consent is crucial for data collection. Marketing emails must have unsubscribe options. Secure data handling is mandatory. Compliance avoids fines and enhances reputation. The UK's data protection laws are robust and comprehensive. They balance innovation with consumer protection. Compliance can be complex for small businesses. Technological changes require ongoing updates. Despite challenges, the UK framework is effective. In conclusion, the UK GDPR and the Data Protection Act play a crucial role in safeguarding individual privacy and ensuring responsible handling of personal data. By promoting transparency and accountability, these laws foster trust in an increasingly data-driven economy. For online marketing, adherence to these regulations is essential, supporting ethical practices while enhancing consumer confidence. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please text 07000 484 361,688, and a member of the UK Versity team will be happy to assist you. We appreciate your participation and look forward to welcoming you to the next session.